This is the second fan I got today. Yesterday, I mean. From that same Craigslist seller I mentioned in the other video. And it's essentially the same exact kind of fan, except this one is interchangeable with the blade mount. You can go on top of the fan or the bottom of the fan. When I got it, they were on top. I moved them to the bottom because I was curious. I don't really like it that much with them on the bottom. I prefer them on the top, so that's probably why I'll move them back to. And this one works perfectly. Everything works. Unlike the other one where the reverse switch is dysfunctional. This one works just fine. So I'll probably end up installing this one out in the greenhouse. And there's, like I said, blades, bottom and top. There are holes up here too. And that's really quite unique. I've never seen a fan like that before. And neither has anyone on DT that replied to my thread, so it's pretty different. It's very neat too, but I've just never seen it before. And this one, like the other one, has paint spray on it and a little bit of wear to the finish, but you know, doesn't really bother me that much. The paint does. I'm definitely going to try to get it off. And anyone who's seen this video, if you know how to get paint off of a wood blade, I would appreciate you dropping a note in my comments about that. There's still stencil on them that I like to keep intact. So, great. Anyway, here's it running. See, it works in downdraft. That's the other one. And like I said, the reverse switch on this one works. Let me do that the other direction. So, this one I'll install in the greenhouse with the blades on the top, not the bottom. I just don't like the appearance of it. It's just kind of weird to me. So, I will definitely be putting them on the top when I install it in the greenhouse permanently. Anyway, there's that video, and I'll be making another one. I take the blades off of this other one and put them on the top while these are on the bottom because I'm curious. I know other people are too. So, we'll just see how that works out. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed.